when it comes to cations, and we have to identify these cations, we divide cations into 7 groups. We start with the 0 group first. The group reagent is NaOH. I'm not discussing all the indicatory and confirmatory tests because there are too many. And secondly, you already have the picture of the chart that we had made, and you can refer to it for all the tests which you have to learn. I'm just discussing the whole procedure of finding out the cation. How do we identify? How do we find whether a given cation is present or not? How do we do that? First thing is, for this, we take salt and add NaOH. If I get there is smell of ammonia, that means 0 group is present, which is ammonium ion is present. If it is present, we go for its indicatory and confirmatory test. If it is not present, there is no smell, which means 0 group is absent, so we discard this solution. हम इसको फेंक देते हैं and we start afresh. We take OS plus dilute HCl. After this, we do not throw away any solution. ये जो solution हम यहाँ बनाते हैं, for first group, we continue with the same solution till the last 6th group. कैसे? I take OS plus dilute HCl. If I get white precipitate, that means lead ion may be present. If it is present, I go for the indicatory and confirmatory tests. But if I don't get any precipitate, that means group 1 is absent, और इसी solution से आप group 2 के लिए जाओगे. I have explained this number of times that in group 2 we have copper, cadmium, arsenic and lead. ठीक है? Lead अगर होता तो first group में निकल आता. Copper salts are blue colored salts and colored salts are not in your syllabus, so we can't give you copper. Cadmium, arsenic are supposed to be poisonous, so even we don't give these 2 ions. So practical, लिखने की चीज़ अलग होती है, करने की चीज़ अलग होती है. Practically, when you take the salt and you don't get 0 group, group 1 आप करते हो. Group 2 के लिए तरीका क्या है? If it is absent, I divide the solution into 2 parts. The same. OS plus dilute HCl wala, I did not get any precipitate, that means it is still clear solution. I divide that into 2 parts. For the second group, I pass H2S through the same solution from part 1. 2 parts में divide किया, part 1 में से H2S pass की. If I get yellow or black PPT, इसका मतलब either cadmium, copper, arsenic और lead are may be present. फिर हम इनका indicatory confirmatory करते हैं. If I don't get any PPT, no precipitate, ना yellow ना black, इसका मतलब group 2 absent है. If group 2 is absent, what I do is I discard part 1. मतलब you take a test tube, take salt, add water, make OS, add dilute HCl. White PPT, lead may be present. Indicatory, confirmatory, it's sorted. No PPT, that means group 1 is absent. Take this, take another test tube, आधा ले लो. पार्ट 1 से ग्रुप 2 के लिए करोगे. अगर ग्रुप 2 आया, इसमें से भी H2S पास करोगे और इंडिकेटरी कंफर्मेटरी करके खत्म करोगे. इफ यू डू नॉट गेट प्रेसिपिटेट इन दिस येलो और ब्लैक, इसका मतलब ग्रुप 2 एब्सेंट है. इसको आप डिस्कार्ड करोगे जिसमें से आपने H2S पास की थी. रिमेनिंग हाफ यू विल टेक, जो बाकी पार्ट 2 था, टेक दैट पार्ट 2 एंड प्रोसीड फॉर द थर्ड ग्रुप, which is solid ammonium chloride. पहले और इसी ऑर्डर में डालेंगे. Again common ion effect. Solid ammonium chloride and then ammonium hydroxide to the part 2. So part 2 plus solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. If I get gelatin जैसा translucent white PPT, that means aluminium is present. If I get reddish brown PPT, इसका मतलब ferric ion है. तो जो भी आपका आता है उसका इंडिकेटरी करोगे, confirmatory करोगे. ठीक है? Which is your next step. No PPT, discard part 1. You proceed with part 2. Part 2 plus solid NH4Cl plus ammonium hydroxide. Reddish brown PPT means ferric, but gelatinous white PPT इज एल्यूमिनियम। तो अगर प्रेसिपिटेट आया पार्ट 2 में, इसका मतलब थर्ड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है। बट इफ आई डू नॉट गेट एनी प्रेसिपिटेट, थर्ड आ गया तब तो स्टोरी खत्म, आप वहीं से उसका इंडिकेटरी करोगे, कंफर्मेटरी करोगे, एंड इट इज डन। But if you do not get precipitate, do not throw away the solution. Divide that solution into 3 parts. For group 4, nothing comes, then part 2 for group 5. If nothing comes, then discard, and part 3 for group 6. कैसे करते? ये जो solution था जिसमें for group 3 you did not get any precipitate, take 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप 3 टेस्ट ट्यूब में डालते हो, यू टेक अनदर टेस्ट ट्यूब, टेक 1/3 ऑफ दैट सोल्यूशन, एंड फॉर ग्रुप 4 पास H2S, ईदर यू गेट व्हाइट PPT, dirty whites आता है, that means zinc may be present. If you get black PPT, it could be cobalt or nickel. If you get buff color मतलब skin color, peachish color जो आता है, that means it could be manganese. This is group 4. अगर part 1 के साथ आपने H2S डाला and you get any of these precipitates, that means group 4 is present. But अगर कोई precipitate नहीं आता तो वो solution आप discard करोगे. Go to part 2, जो बाकी का solution बचा था उसमें से आधा लोगे. Take part 2 and add ammonium carbonate for group 5. अब ammonium carbonate या 5th group ऐसा है जिसमें we get white precipitate for all 3. जैसे यहाँ पता चल